Hey, thank you so much. As you know, my name is Vanessa. I'm currently in France and I'm still in the program. The program is 8 months. So
Yes.
I joined in July for the full Stack Data Science program. And 3 months into the program, I got a job. So I've been working for 2 weeks. Everyone on this call right now, if I'm to advise them, the first thing I would say is have a positive mindset, because in as much as there are a lot of negative or false information out there, there is in that information some positivity. So focus on the positive aspects. And if I was able to go through this program and land a job within such a short period of time, I don't only count myself lucky, but I count the training structure well organized. Because personally, I don't know if I can share my experience throughout, from how I joined to how I got the.
Yeah.
So I heard about 10Alytics firstly from Nezeville. I don't know if you know her. She runs a YouTube channel and I follow her. So when I heard her talk about data science, data analysis and all those stuffs, I didn't really bother. But later on, when I was looking for a job, because my background is electrical engineering, I'm from Cameroon and I'm currently in France. I realized that working as an electrical engineer in Europe was really going to be difficult for me as a woman who has children. And so I wanted something that could permit me work from home, earn well. I went to school, so I just didn't want to be a cleaner or just anyone. And when I heard her talk about data analysis, and I also saw that most of the jobs in electrical engineering that do not need you to go to the field would want you to work in the bureau d'études where I'm working now, where we mostly do analysis. I became interested. I clicked on the link she shared and I joined a free session like this one. After the free session, I showed interest through some forms I filled, and I was confused on which career path even to choose. I just knew I was an electrical engineer. I want some data analytical skills, and I booked a clarity session with 10Alytics. And when I spoke with someone there who acted like a counselor, he listened to me, and at the end of it, he kind of like orientated me towards the right path. It's true, I wanted analytical skills, but after discussing with him, he saw that I was better with data science. And that is how I signed up for the program and I started the training. I don't want to mention how structured the training is. I mean, each module builds on another one, and the support you get while on training is something I've never seen anywhere throughout my studies. I mean, where is it heard of that you are in class and after class your coordinator texts you, your participation was a little bit timid today, is there any problem? Or I didn't see you in class today, what happened? And please get back to me so I can show you what to do in order to catch up. I mean, the support was just something else. I don't want to talk about the mentorship sessions. Oh, that is what I enjoy the most, and that is what helped me land my job. Because in one of the mentorship sessions, they talked about LinkedIn optimization, which was something I never bothered about. And that is what helped me land my job. Because immediately I optimized my LinkedIn. It was a whole session where they walked us through, and even after they helped us optimize our LinkedIn pages. After that, I got a call and someone told me, I'm the HR manager of this company. I saw your profile. Would you be interested in an interview with us? When I looked up the name of the company, it was a highly reputable company here in France, and I was like, this can be scammers, because I didn't believe that. I mean, it was really something else. I hesitated, but I got the call after a week again, and I was like, okay, let me give them an audience. And I was like, okay, I'm ready for the interview, but I can't move to the state where you are. In my mind, I wasn't still sure, because I was like, it's like magic to me. I didn't apply for this job. they saw my profile somewhere, probably on LinkedIn or on Glassdoor, or because once we were taught on how to optimize ourselves on LinkedIn, I applied it on all the other platforms, Indeed, Glassdoor, and the rest. So when they booked the interview now, I saw the HR manager, they found out the company, and it matched the person I saw online, because I went and checked to be sure of who is in that company. This is how I landed my job. Not to talk about what happened during the interview, they prepare us for interviews during preparatory sessions, where you don't just answer questions anyhow. I mean, when they ask you, tell me about yourself, it's a whole different approach when you want to learn a job. And 10Alytics helped me prepare me for that. When they ask you a question, I saw this on your CV. Can you please tell me how you were able to do this? We have a whole approach on how to approach that, taught by 10Alytics, and those were the techniques that helped me land the job. And at that moment, I had learned just 2 skills into my program, just 2 skills, and I was able to defend those two skills during my training. It will interest you to know that the company hired me, and I'm still continuing my program. And there is even another program which is not in the curriculum of 10Alytics that the company is willing to sponsor me to learn, which is needed on my job. So please, if you're on this call and you're doubting 10Alytics, I would want you to give them a try. Honestly, it has been amazing. I don't even want to talk about the ease with which I could pay my fee with 10Alytics, because when I saw the fee, it was quite challenging for me at that moment, because I had just completed my PhD. I didn't have money at that moment. But when I spoke with an agent there, they told me I could pay in installments. And that was just it. I paid my fees in 5 installments. That's to tell you that there is every support you need to be able to get these skills. Honestly, 10Alytics, I'm really grateful. God bless you.